First impression of Easy Hold was like, yes, sweet, finally, like product that's just fitting perfectly for the new haircuts that we're doing, like the looser looks and the longer hair.
I was really excited from the first moment I used the Easy Hold. It just works brilliant in the hair.
I've mainly actually used it on shorter, messier, textured styles, used it for a lot of curls, also used it with guys with a bit more length in their hair that want to get that real rock and roll sort of vibe, bit of volume into it.
People are becoming more lazy with their haircuts. Like as far as styling goes, this product loosely put in your hands and rub through your hair can give you like a messy finish and hold throughout the day.
Really lightweight, almost like a creamy kind of texture to it.
Product smells great too. It's got tobacco smells in there, some woody tones.
It's a less obvious finish, it's such a light product.
It fits in the Uppercut Deluxe line really, really well. I've been able to use Easy Hold on several different types of hair. Textured, curly, really is one of those products you can use in just about any type of hair.
There's been a lot more disconnections, a lot more fringes coming forward again, a lot more of a natural style.
I've used it for undercuts, slick backs, side parts. It's really good for gentlemen that want a hold in their hair, but don't want anything too crazy and overpowering.
Just glides through, just leaves a really nice film over it. You don't have to use too much, which is the beauty.
Very soft, very fluffy, very versatile.
Easy Hold's an awesome product for the clients themselves because when they style their hair it looks really natural. It looks like they've hardly used any product at all, but their hair's looking good, and Easy Hold's perfect for that.
You don't have to use a lot of it.
It's a water-based product, so it's really easy to put in the hair, but that means it's really easy to wash out the hair too. It's a lot lighter than featherweight. It's a lot creamier than the matte pomade.
I really think this product is filling a hole in the market.
And just allows you to be creative. I think that's the key.
Just like anything else Uppercut hits us with, has a great scent, hold, and finish. Quality's there.
They're one of the best pomade companies in the world.
My name's Luke Dolan.
My name is Ron Talley.
My name is Dane Hesse.
My name's George Cody.
My name is Shane Nesbitt.
My name's Chris Brownless.
I'm Tommy J.